Hello, it's Kray here, and today I'm sharing with you a tutorial on how to construct the Designer's Choice number 3, the Lovebirds box by Tonic Studios. So we'll be constructing the box with 5 sides, so you'll need 5 panels for the base and for your lid. You also need some vellum and a couple of the die cut flowers from the kit. We've also cut out some of the red and ivory hearts as well, just to paper piece into your project. What we've done is we've gone ahead and we've cut into the panels with a couple of the die cuts from the kit into the base, and we've also used the Lovebird die to cut into the lid as well. And this is because we want to have a box using the vellum that has a see-through effect, so you can use it with a tea light. I just wanted to make a note here, just to say that when I use vellum, I like to use as little adhesive as possible. So I've literally just put some in the middle of that vellum on that panel, and on the lid, I'm just putting it where the lovebirds are. And the reason for that is if you use too much adhesive with vellum, then it crinkles on the sides, and we really don't want that to spoil our box. For a little bit of contrast, we cut out some of the red hearts and a couple of the white hearts as well from the same design, and we're going to just paper piece those right back into the hearts. And we're going to carry in and we're going to do that onto both of the panels as well. And the vellum is going, if you just put a little bit of adhesive on, the vellum will grab that really quickly, and that makes quite a beautiful panel. So we're really going to be constructing the box now, and I'm just going to put some music on, and I'll speed this up just a little bit because there's nothing particularly technical that's going to happen here. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. And we have finally constructed our box. So I've gone ahead, you can probably see that I have popped in a tea light into the box. And that's just really to give you an idea of how transparent the vellum is as well, and how much the light shines through those panels. I really enjoyed making this box, and I think that it's really versatile as well. You can make 3-sided, 4-sided, or 5-sided panel. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop off the lights really quick so you can see how effective this is. I've got a couple of lights, so I'm going to have to swap arms. But it makes the red really pop, those red hearts really pop. And it makes the vellum, the light through the vellum look really soft as well. It's just a beautiful box. I mean, there's plenty of room for you to fill it with lots of sweets and candies, or you can use it for tea lights as part of home decor. You give it to your sweetheart. It's fantastic. So I hope that you have enjoyed my tutorial today. If you have any questions, then you can either pop me a message, or you can find me on Facebook. Leave me a message in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thanks ever so much. Ta-ra!